Hi guys, my name is Sharon and welcome to Creative Glam. I'm a realtor, a mom, a pet parent, a wife, and a DIY home decor enthusiast. My life's motto is to do what I love and love what I do. And one of my many passions is to make the things in and around my home beautiful but on a budget, while being a source of inspiration to others who want to do the same in their home. Take a look. Creative Glam is a channel where I get to create creative, fun, and budget-friendly DIY projects like seasonal home decor hauls and makeovers, life and style moments like date night, concerts, family events. I also do seasonal tablescape ideas, travel and food, DIY home decor accents, home organization, and much, much more. So join me on this wonderful DIY and life and style journey. There is something for everyone. So let's get inspired together. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below, along with that notification bell. Hit that notification bell twice so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and I upload new videos twice a week. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you right here next week. Bye!